Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Deutsch zu lernen. In today's video you are going to learn the difference between wohnen and leben. Both the verbs wohnen and leben have the same meaning, to live. Let's begin with the first verb, wohnen. Wohnen means to live. The verb wohnen represents the physical act of residing or having a home. The verb wohnen, often used when talking about where someone lives, like in a city, house, or apartment. Let's begin with the first example. Ich wohne in Berlin. In this context, the verb wohnen represents the act of residing at a particular place. Let's look at the second example. Sie wohnt in der Nähe des Bahnhofs. In this example also, the verb wohnen represents the act of residing at a particular place. Let's look at the third example. Wir wohnen in einer kleinen Wohnung. In this context, the verb wohnen shows the act of living in an apartment. Let's move on to the verb leben. The verb leben also means to live. The verb leben refers to the state of being alive or the act of leading a life. The verb leben used to express how someone lives, their style of living, or their general existence. Let's look at the first example. Meine Katze lebt noch. In this context, the verb leben represents the state of being alive. Let's look at the second example. Sie lebt ein glückliches Leben. In this context, the verb leben shows how someone is leading their life. Let's look at the third example. Sie lebt allein. In this context, the verb leben shows the style of living or how someone lives their life. Thanks for watching. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel.